Bacteria are microscopic acellular or single-celled organisms. They may be of variety of shape. It can be spherical, cocci, rod-shaped, bacilli, spiral, spirilla, or comma-shaped called as vibrio. Here we have images of different type of bacteria. This is spherical, cocci-shaped. This is rod-shaped, bacilli. This is spiral, spiralia, and this is comma shaped called as vibrio. These bacteria are found everywhere in air, soil, water, and even in the food we eat. Some of them are also present on our body and they can cause diseases. Bacteria are the simplest prokaryotic organism, which means they do not have cell organelles like chloroplast, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, etc. They do not have nucleus and their genetic material is in the form of single circular DNA molecule and it lies naked in the center of the cell. Here we can observe it. We can see this region is called as nucleoid and the genetic material is freely lying in the cell. Bacteria have ribosomes for the protein synthesis and here we can see these are the ribosomes which are there for the protein synthesis. Let's take a look at useful bacteria. Bacteria play important role in medicine, agriculture and industry and even maintaining a clean environment. Here we have the first one that is in medicine, antibiotics, serums and antibodies, even vaccines are obtained from bacteria. First, antibiotics like chloromycetin, streptomycin, erythromycin are produced by bacteria. These inhibit growth of other pathogenic microorganisms and these are also used to control and cure diseases like typhoid, diphtheria, pneumonia and tuberculosis. Next, we have serums. Serums contain antibodies against particular pathogen. They are used to prevent specific bacterial infection and provide immunity in body to a particular disease. Then are vaccines. Vaccines are used for protection against infection from particular disease such as typhoid, cholera and smallpox. A vaccine is suspension of killed pathogenic bacteria. On injecting into the body of man, it induces formation of antibodies and this provides considerable degree of immunity to the organism. The next application of bacteria is in industry. In industry, bacteria help as follows. First, in the preparation of curd, lactobacillus bacteria are used for the process of fermentation or curdling of milk for curd formation. Here, this bacteria is going to convert milk sugar lactose into lactic acid and convert the milk into curd. Next is curing of cheese. Bacteria help in producing cheese of particular taste. Then is manufacturing of vinegar, that is acetic acid. It is made by fermentation of sugar solution by activity of acetic acid bacteria. Then we have curing and ripening of tea and tobacco leaves. It is carried out by bacteria to develop characteristic aroma and flavor. Next is tanning of leather, removal of tissues and hairs from hides and skins of mammals is done by fermentation with the help of bacteria. Next one is retting of fibers. Retting of jute, hemp, flax fiber is done by the pond water bacterium Clostridium butylicum. These fibers are used for making ropes and linen. Manufacturing of alcohol and acetone. Bacteria like Clostridium acetobutylicum is used in the production of alcohol and acetone from acetic acid. Then we have formation of biogas. Biogas or gobar gas is produced by decomposition of excreta of animals like cows and buffaloes and human beings. This gas is inflammable and is used for the purpose of cooking. The liquid and solid end product is used as manure in the fields. Moving towards the use of bacteria in agriculture, there are certain forms of bacteria that have key role in agriculture. The first process is nitrogen fixation. Bacteria like rhizobium are found in root nodules of leguminous plant. They fix up the free atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates and increase the fertility of soil. These nitrates are also used by other plants, and the process of conversion of free atmospheric nitrogen into suitable forms like nitrate is called as nitrogen fixation. And the process also involves nitrification. Nitrification means conversion of ammonia from soil to nitrates by bacteria Nitrobacter is called as nitrification. We also have a process called as denitrification, which is the process of conversion of nitrates from waste and dead bodies into nitrogen gas. It is carried out by denitrifying bacteria such as Pseudomonas. Moving towards the harmful bacteria, the harmful activities of bacteria can be discussed as follows. There are various diseases which can spread because of bacteria, and these diseases could be in the case of humans, animals, or plants. Next is food spoilage. Bacteria spoils cooked food, fruits, milk, vegetables, butter, fish, and meat, particularly during summer months because the temperature is ambient for the bacterial reproduction. Next is bioweapons. Some pathogenic bacteria and their toxin can be used as bioweapons to create bioterrorism. Example, Bacillus anthracis, which causes anthrax, is one such pathogenic bacterium. We also have cholera, botulism, and poliomyelitis, which can be used as bioweapons.